Good morning, everyone. It's time to learn how to code. On paper. I'm learning Python by hand. So before we get into it, every year it's like a New Year's thing. I love New Year's. It's my favorite holiday. I pick a new skill to learn. Last year it was learning how to sew. The year before it was learning how to take apart electronics and fix them, and also Adobe Premiere. It was a big year. Year before was learning how to coupon. The year before was learning how to be more eco-friendly and have more like permanent things instead of more disposable stuff. This year it's learning how to code. And I was advised that Python is like the easiest for a beginner. I don't really have a goal in mind. Like I don't want to make a video game or like make a program or whatever. I kind of just want to learn for funsies. So that's what we're doing today. I'm really excited. I made a free account in Code Academy, and I don't know how long the free account will last me or how much information I'll get out of it, but we'll see. Are you still remembering all the things you've learned? Oh yeah, dude, I just sewed over the holidays. I sewed myself a bunch of scrunchies because I went through my scrap fabric because I wanted to lighten up my fabric drawer a little bit. And I sewed a bunch of scrunchies, and I use Adobe Premiere almost every day to edit videos. And I coupon. Every time I go grocery shopping, I coupon. Yeah, everything I've learned, I use all the time. It's so fun, dude. I love learning new skills, especially when it's something that like I've always wanted to learn. Like taking stuff apart and fixing it was so fun. Yeah, I enjoyed a lot. So I'm gonna turn the music off so I can focus, because otherwise I'll get overstimulated. I'll get overstimulated. Jamie, thank you for gifting us up to Beth. That's really sweet. Thank you so much. Okay, so I know it's a little dorky, but I got this idea from Brie Bun. I actually repurposed one of my college notebooks, and I'm gonna use it to take notes on like little things that I might want to remember. So if you see me taking notes, no, you don't. I'm just trying to remember. It's my code lore book. It is. It's my code lore book. Okay. So, weekly target? Popular topics, Python. Python is a general purpose, versatile, and powerful programming language. It's a great first language because Python code is concise and easy to read. Whatever you want to do, Python can do it. From web development to machine learning to data science, Python is the language for you. That's so cool. You went to college? Clearly you took nothing from it. Is this like an AI chatbot thing? AI learning assistant? What job can I get with what can I build with Python? You can build a new brain, dumbass. Oh, Jesus Christ. You can build a wide variety of projects ranging from simple scripts to complex web applications and data analysis tools. Here are some examples of what you can build with Python. Web development, create websites and web applications using frameworks like Flask and Django. Someone just brought up Django the other day. AI, how often do I cry at my desk? AI, I need data analysis on how often I have to leave my desk to go cry in the bathroom. Data analysis and visualization. Visualize data using libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. These are not real. This is Simlish. I'm pretty sure this is what Sims say every time they greet each other. Matplotlib. NumPy. And then they say goodbye and they say NumPy. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks such as file handling, web scraping, and more. That'd be cool. Game development, create simple games and interactive applications. Number guess, practice functions in Python by building a number guessing game. I could build a number guessing game? Wait, that would be a fun first project. Building a number guessing game? That'd be so fun. Oh my God, how fun. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, machine learning and AI, we're skipping this one. Object-oriented programming, develop applications using object-oriented principles. School catalog, build fluency in object-oriented Python by creating a school catalog. School catalog. Oh, these are like projects that they have you do. Data engineering, manage and analyze large data sets, bike rental data management, use Python, pandas, and SQL. Python is the coding language, and then Panda, NumPy, and Matplotlib are libraries. So what is a library to a coding language? Okay, hold on, let me write this down. Python language, pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib. Library. Library has like redefined functions like random library, math library. Library is a pre-made collection of stuff written in that language. Oh, you can include libraries in your code. Avery's learning about the coding rabbit hole. Welcome to hell. Did I put in that one clip in my highlights where I said programmers talk about coding the same way parents talk about their own kids? Where they're like, oh my God, you just have to have kids. They're the best. Jessica, put the knife down. That's how every programmer I know talks about coding. Like in our mod chat, Godfiend is constantly like, dude, this fucking thing has been broken for 3 weeks and I can't figure out what's wrong with it, blah, blah, blah. And then whenever I talk about coding, he's like, oh, you gotta learn it. It's so fun. Hi, Charlie. Oh my gosh, it's so good to see you. Yeah, today's day one of learning how to code. Okay, so library is like pre-made functions? Would you say pre-made functions for like specific things? Yes. Okay. Pre-made functions. Okay, cool. Okay. Code Academy offers both practice projects and portfolio projects. Practice projects are designed to help solidify concepts with guided practice, while portfolio projects are meant to be showcased on a personal portfolio. That's really cool. Okay, I'm new to Python. What should I learn? He's going to steal the moderator's jobs. Now I'll be the one complaining in the mod chat. Great. Don't talk to me like you're not a robot. If an AI starts a message with, that's so cool, I'm like, go fuck yourself. You're a robot. Don't try to lie to me. Since you're new to Python, I recommend starting with the basics. Here are some beginner-friendly courses to get you started. Learn Python 3. This course covers the basics of Python 3.12, one of the most powerful, versatile, and in-demand programming languages today. It's a great starting point for beginners. Duration, 23 hours. 24-hour stream, guys. Let's go. Okay. Python 3.12 current what's version? Current version. How often do they wait? So what happens if can Python be like updated? Like what? So if you write a website in Python and then it updates, does that break the website, or is the website fine because you already wrote it in like an older version? You have yes and no, and you have to update your code if there are breaking changes. Yes, it can. Oh, okay. Depends on how old. You have to manually update your code. So there's nothing that could be like, okay, there's nothing that can be like, we know what changed in the new Python, so we're going to change that for you in the code. They usually just add new stuff. Oh, okay. So it's usually new stuff, not changed stuff. New versions of Python come out and you have to update your code, but deployed stuff won't break. Oh, okay, cool. So if it's already deployed, it won't break. But if you say you edit the code for something else and then deploy it, it could be broken because you deployed it a second, like after the update. Sorry if these are dumb questions. I'm just really curious. I'm really, really curious. I'm sure to like seasoned programmers, this could be really annoying, but like, I have so many questions. These are actually really great questions. Really? There are no dumb questions. Yay! Yay! I don't know for sure, but that would make sense considering how many random bugs happen. If you deploy after making changes, you could break shit. Okay, so Python updates, usually new features have to update code. Do they have like how do you know when it gets updated? Will like whatever website builder you like Django or whatever, will it say like, hey, there's like new Python? Presses deploy to production on accident. That'll be me. There are no dumb questions, only dumb people. Right here, baby. Right here. Nah, there are different ways to know about updates, but in general, it's on you to find. Okay. I wonder if there's like an email newsletter thing you can sign up for that will like tell you when it's updated and tell you what the like patch notes or whatever. Hold on. Note to self. Find Python update reminder. Oh, I wrote on my Post-it note. Oops. Reminder. As part of the development and release process, you will choose what versions you want to work with. This eventually comes as you make more complex. Oh, okay. This is making me want to dive back into Python. It's been a minute. Really? Ah, how fun. Dude, I'm so excited. Thank you in advance to everyone who's going to be patient with me. And if you're not patient with me, and you write something in the chat that's like, it's really easy, why aren't you getting it? I'll fucking ban you right away. No warning. You'll type that, hit enter, and then from behind you, you'll hear, okay, I'm not gonna do this one, but I'm curious. Debug Python code with generative AI case study. This course will help you understand how to use generative AI to resolve Python code issues, which can be very helpful as you start learning code. Honestly, as much as I'm not a big fan of AI, for stuff like this, it could be helpful. When it comes to art and stuff, I'm like, don't touch art. But when it comes to this stuff, it could be really helpful, especially as I get started and I'm dumb. If the coding language isn't babyfied, I could never learn it. That's why when I worked at an ISP, I had to use a DOS system. Holy shit, it felt like coding because we had to type specific commands to bring up like a person's like profile, like account and stuff. And it wasn't easy. So it's not coding because it's a DOS system. So you just type stuff. But like, I was like, dude, it was 2015 at the time. I was like, bro, it's 2015. Why are we using DOS? Anyways, these courses will provide you with a solid foundation in Python covering essential concepts and syntax. Define syntax. The arrangement, a set of rules for or an analysis of the syntax of a language. I fucking hate when you look up a word's definition and they use the word in the definition. They'll let anyone run dictionaries these days. Like you could be like, what is stress? And the definition will be like to be stressed. And it's like, okay, okay. Once you feel more comfortable with the basics, you can explore more advanced topics and projects. Okay, let's get started. I'm so excited. Oh my God, this is so exciting. Okay, learn the basics of Python 3.12, one of the most powerful, versatile, and in-demand programming languages today. There's 13 projects, no prerequisites. If you're looking for a programming language that's flexible and easy to read, try learning Python. It's one of the most popular languages today, and programming in Python is used for everything from web and software development to data science and analytics. Analytics. You know what? I've decided that's how it's pronounced now. And if you say I'm wrong, then you hate women. And I've decided that. Okay, let's watch this first. Alicia Grandma. Alicia Grandma, hit me with it. Oh. Can this be bigger?
Hi, and welcome to Learn Python 3, your guide to getting started with this in-demand programming language. First things first,
I can't hear.
what is Python? Python is a really popular programming language known for its versatility, readability, and simplicity. You'll see it used in fields like web development, data science, artificial intelligence, automation, and much more. Why is it helpful to learn Python? There are plenty of benefits to learning Python, but in my opinion, the top ones include ease of learning. Python is great for beginners because of its simple syntax that mirrors natural language. Versatility. Your Python skills will be helpful for almost anything you do, whether you're interested in web development with frameworks like Django or Flask, data science with pandas or NumPy.
Sorry. So is a framework like Django or Flask different to a library? It's like the comparison I'm making is like I'm comparing it to like game development, where it's like Python is the developer studio and then like Django, Python, Flask are like the publisher. Like one thing makes the thing and the other thing like deploys it. A framework is a collection of libraries and ways to use them. A framework is a set of libraries. Oh, so it's multiple libraries. They're different but same core concept. Okay, got it.
Or machine learning, working with TensorFlow or scikit-learn. There's also community and support. Because of its popularity, Python has a large and very active community with extensive documentation.
That's cool.
So it's super easy to find answers if you have questions.
I will have questions.
And lastly, there are career opportunities. Even as the tech industry changes, Python developers are still in high demand across industries. You might be curious to see what this course is all about. All of our courses have structured modules, making it easy to learn at your own pace. You'll dive into topics like Python basics, control flow.
Whenever people ask me about homeschooling, this is exactly what it was. It was all online and it all looked just like this. So this is like nothing new to me. I'm like, oh yeah, this was high school for me.
Functions, data structures, and object-oriented programming. And with interactive lessons and quizzes to check your understandings of new concepts, it's easy to see how you're progressing and what you should focus on next. Also get hands-on experience building projects like your own digital magic 8-ball, ASCII art, or organizing.
Wait, I can make an 8-ball? I can make my own 8-ball? I can make a number guesser, I can make an 8-ball. Wait, if I can make an 8-ball, that means I could customize the answers so they can all be really, really rude. Magic 8-ball, but every answer is no, go fuck yourself. Every answer says no, go fuck yourself in a different way. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
By the time you finish this course, you'll have a strong foundation in Python programming and be able to add this in-demand skill to your resume. Hope you enjoy the course.
Oh my God, you guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is really cool. I'm really excited for this. Okay. Hello world, get started with Python syntax in this lesson and then create a point of sale system for a furniture store. There's quizzes? Oh, I'm so fucked. You could even make it multilingual. It's all the answers saying no, go fuck yourself, but with a French accent. So it's like, no, go fuck yourself. It's yourself, but spelled with like the phlegmy sound, you know? Sims 4 mods are coded in Python? That's so cool. I could make Wicked Whims. I could make Wicked Whims, but my version. Full penetration in the Sims. Hold on. Python syntax. Python syntax can be executed by writing directly in the command line print hello world. So is syntax like a string of code? I still don't even really fully oh my God. Hi, Zoe. Good morning, sunshine. That's what I'm saying. That's what Sims has always needed, is full penetration. Where's the Sims 4 stuff pack? It could be a stuff pack because you'd get stuffed. Let's get back to the coding. Let's stay, brothers, we must stay focused. We must stay focused. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Hold on. I'm kind of in the way. Let me move everything to the side so I'm not in the way. I apologize. I never know where this stuff is going to show up, so I'm just going to hopefully this is fine. I don't like that concatenation. Define concatenation. A series of interconnected things or events. The action of linking things together in a series. Okay. I think it looks kind of pretty. Okay, welcome. Python is a programming language. Like other languages, it gives us a way to communicate ideas. In the case of a programming language, these ideas are commands. In the case of programming language, these ideas are commands. Okay, so command is an idea executed by code / Python. To communicate with a computer. We convey our commands to the computer by writing them in a text file using a programming language. These files are called programs. It even tells you what files are. This would be so brave. Can you imagine being like, I don't even know how to use a computer, but I'm going to learn how to code. And Code Academy is like, no worries. I got you, bitch. Here's what a file is. These files are called programs. Running a program means telling a computer to read the text file, translate it to the set of operations that it understands, and perform the. Oh, so is you know when games have like a .exe file? Is that a program that is set to execute like a text document? It's probably more in depth for like a video game. Like it's probably bigger than just that. It's an executable. Yes, but it's not a text document. Not quite, but that's more advanced. Okay, that's what I figured. Okay. Running a text file using a programming language. But like a hotkey could be a text file. So if I wanted to program something that like opened up like OBS, my Twitch chat, my Twitch dashboard all at the same time or whatever, and I opened it, that would probably be a text file that told my computer to do it. I might be getting ahead of myself. I'm just really excited. These files are called programs. Running a program means telling a computer to read the text file, translate it to the set of operations that it understands, and perform those actions. Potentially, depends on the tool. Okay. Change Code Academy to your name in the script to the right. Run the code to see what it does. As soon as you're ready, move on to the next exercise to begin learning to write your own Python. My name equals Avery. Print hello and welcome plus my name. Run the code. So I can't hit enter. If I hit enter, does it make a new line? Oh yeah, it does. Okay, run. Ah! I said hello and welcome, Avery. Ah! Okay. If you get stuck during this lesson, no, I think I'm okay. I did it! First try! Oh my God, this is so cool. Okay. Comments. Ironically, the first thing we're going to do is show how to tell a computer to ignore a part of a program. Text written in a program but not run by the computer is called a comment. Python interprets anything after a, what is that fucking called? Hashtag? Comments are good. Okay. Comments. Computer ignores anything after hashtag symbol. Comments can provide context for why something is written the way it is, help other people reading the code understand it faster, ignore a line of code and see how a program will run without it. Oh, that's kind of smart, actually. This seems really handy for like people working in teams, you know? Used to provide context and test code. if your team comments, can I put in a hashtag and just be like, go fuck yourself, Godfiend? Godfiend, if you're reading this, KYS. Sorry, no, I would never. But it's also vital for future you because you will absolutely forget details. Oh, that's so true. Oh my God. Notes to self so you don't forget details. That's so true. Hashtag urethra. Get in the habit of explaining what you're doing with comments. It will make it much easier for you to remember what and why you make the changes in the future. Okay, got it. Instructions. Documentation is an important step in programming. Write a comment describing the first program you want to write. Hashtag. Can I do space after it, or does it have to be immediately after? I'll try it. I want to make a really mean 8-ball. Can I run it? Did it work? I guess it worked because it didn't show up on the right. And it checked off, so I'm assuming it worked. Spaces are fine. Okay, cool. Want to quickly review some of the concepts you've been learning? No, I've been here for 5 minutes. I'm okay. I think I'm okay. Okay, cool. Print. Now what we're going to do is teach our computer to communicate. The gift of speech is valuable. A computer can answer many questions we have about how or why or what it is doing. In Python, the print function is used to tell a computer to talk. The message to be printed should be surrounded by quotes. Okay. Print, parentheses, function telling PC to talk. I worked for a company one time that's program is based on Delphi, and the whole program had 3 comments. Hated my life. Oh my God, I'm sorry. That's how you know someone's not good at communicating. There are certain things where I'm like, I see it and I'm like, I just know you're not a good communicator in real life. Like, for example, one of them is people who don't signal when they're about to turn, when they're driving. I'm like, I just know you fucking suck at communicating with other people. I just know it. I'll fucking signal if like no one's around. I signal in like parking lots if no one's around. I don't care. In the above, from Mary Shelley's Frankenstein. So that's a comment. So that won't show up in the code. Print. There is something at work in my soul which I do not understand. Oh my God. In the above example, we direct our program to print an excerpt from a notable book. The printed words that appear as a result of the print function are referred to as output. Output. The printed words. The output of this example program would be this. So this is what normal people would read, but this is what I would read as the person that coded it. Okay. From Mass Effect 3. Print. Oh, I did it. Print. That's cool that it highlights it. Print. And then quotation. Does this unit have a soul? Oh, I have to say hello world. Well, I'm going to do this first. Does this unit have a soul? Okay. I'm sorry. I'll do it. Okay. Avery wrote this code. Print. Hello world. Ah! Oh no! Oh, I forgot the quotation. I forgot. Hello world. Yay! I did it! I fixed it! I fixed my first error! Yeah. Woo. Woo. Yay! And fixing bad code is debugging. Good job on your first debug. I debugged! Yeah! I debugged. Okay. We did it. Learn Python 3. Learn the basics of Python 3.12. Free trial? I thought it was free. I thought it was just free. Upgrade for full access to this course. They fucking lied. They said it was gonna be free. Okay, well, I guess we paying for it. You need crack. Well, it's a free trial. That's true. Okay. I think it's gonna like ask for my card. Hold on. Yeah, what a surprise. What a surprise. I thought it was free. That's how they get you. That's how they get you. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna put on the Be Right Back screen. Just because the last time I had to put in a credit card, I accidentally held my credit card to my mouth. So, I'm gonna do, ooh, the plus is a lot cheaper, and pro is for if you want a career, and I don't really want a career. So I'm gonna do plus, and I'm gonna pay annually because I'm a coupon queen. No, don't donate. It's $180. That's a lot of money. Don't donate. Okay. I almost started reading my credit card number out loud. I was like, okay, blah, 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 blah. There is a free trial, but you don't get the free, like you get billed at the end of it. You still have to put in your credit card for the free trial though. It's a tale as old as time. Little do they know, I remember to cancel mine. I set every single time I get like a 3-month trial, I ask my phone to remind me in 3 months to cancel it. I know a business hates to see me coming. I just know they do. Oh, shit. Oh my God, I'm getting taxed on it? Okay. It's online. Why do I have to pay taxes for online stuff? Whatever, it's fine. Okay. Oh, I could have looked for a promo code. I could have looked for okay, whatever. It's too late. Okay. Let me make sure it's not like, thanks for putting in your credit card number, which is blah, 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 blah. Okay. I think it's fine. It didn't show, so it's fine. Okay. I think end of year 2024. 50% off? I fucked up. Well, if it was end of year 2024, I probably lost it. It probably ran out. Chargeback time? I would never. That's how they get you. That's how they get you. I'm feeling scammed because I didn't coupon something. Well, when I'm streaming, I feel it expired tomorrow. Hey Google, remind me in 2 hours, email Code Academy and ask for discount code. There have been times where I've emailed and been like, hey, I'm so sorry, I meant to use this coupon code and it didn't work. Can it be changed? Wait, I can cancel the free trial, sign up again, and then use the thing. I'm writing that down. Hold on. What was it? EOY 2024? I'll figure it out. She's cooking. Listen, I told y'all. Someone asked me, do I actually remember the skills that I learned? And one of my skills was couponing, and I don't forget. It's just that when I'm on stream, I feel obligated to like if something interrupts the stream, I try to go as fast as possible so I don't, people don't get bored. Anyways, okay. We're back to it. We're back to it. Oh, it expired the 31st. Okay, that's fine. It'll be fine. Computer programmers refer to blocks of text as strings. Blocks of text, okay. Strings, blocks of text. In our last exercise, we created the string hello world. In Python, a string is either surrounded by double quotes, hello world, or single quotes. Oh, it doesn't matter which kind you use, just be consistent. So if I were to create a code that used both double quotes and single quotes, could it break the code if I'm not consistent with it? Oh, set of characters in quotes. Okay, blocks of text in quotes. Be consistent with double or single. I underline that. No, it wouldn't. It wouldn't break. It shouldn't break anything. Okay. Depends on what you mean. You should try it and see what happens. That's true. I could just type it. That's true. Print your name using the print command. So does the print command always in the parentheses, it always has to have quotations? Or can there be other commands in the print that don't need quotations? No. Unless you're printing a variable. Okay. With single quotes. With single quotes. Hello. Oh, wait, no, it says print your name. Avery. Oh. I keep hitting enter. Avery. Avery. If your print statement uses double quotes, change them to single quotes. If it uses single quotes, change them to double quotes. Can't I just do that? Oh. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait. How do I make this go around my name? Do I have to type it all again? You can press Control Enter as a hotkey to run. Okay, thank you. Is there any way to get it? You type the quote, just delete one of them. Oh, I was hoping that if I did it here, it would automatically go around it, but I guess not. Avery. Control, what was it? Control Enter? Control Enter. It worked! Ah! Highlight it in some editors it works. Oh, okay, so if I highlight it and then do... It worked! Okay. Oh, I broke it. Okay. Try running your code again after switching the type of quote marks. Is anything different about the input? I don't think so. Okay, so that's Avery with double. No, it was the same. Am I wrong? Am I being tested? Some code edits that got that functionality. Oh, nice. I feel like I'm being gaslit. Like, I didn't notice anything different. Right? You are right. It's a trick question. Okay. Variables. We were just talking. Oh my God, the code got so much bigger. We've defined the variable meal here to the name of the food we ate for breakfast, meal and English muffin, printing out breakfast, print breakfast meal. So it'll say breakfast muffin. It'll say breakfast English muffin. And then now update meal to be lunch. Oh, so I could change. But if I change the code for meal to like soup, won't it change breakfast also to soup? Or is it like because it's in order? Oh, update meal. So if you update it after this is printed, that means it won't show up as soup. Okay, let me learn first because I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm sorry. I'm really excited. This is so cool. Variables. This is so fun. This is exactly how I felt taking apart stuff and trying to fix it. It feels really good. Programming languages offer a method of storing data for reuse. If there is a greeting we want to present, a date we need to reuse, or a user ID we need to remember, we can create a variable which can store a value. So that would be meal and English muffin. So that every time I type meal, then it's like, oh, an English muffin, so I don't have to type an English muffin every single time. Okay. Method of storing data for reuse. In Python, we assign variables using equal sign. Python variable equal sign. Message string equals hello there. Print message string. Oh, so this is the variable that you guys said wouldn't need quotations. Oh my God, that's what someone said in chat. I was like, does a print always need quotations? And someone said, unless it's a variable. Oh, okay. In the above example, we stored the message hello there in a variable called message string. Variables can't have spaces or symbols in their names other than the underscore. They can't begin with numbers, but they can have numbers after the first letter. E.g., cool underscore variable underscore 5 is okay. It's no coincidence we call these creatures variables. If the context of a program changes, we can update a variable but perform the same logical process on it. Okay. No spaces or symbols except underscore number only after first letter. Does anyone know why? This is not like a pop quiz. I sound like a teacher. Now, can anyone tell me why? Does anyone know why it can't start with a number? Is there a reason? These rules about what variables are named, that's an example of syntax that you were asking about earlier. Oh, so is a syntax like a rule? It's just I tried to Google the definition of syntax and it literally said syntax. I was like, okay, I'll go fuck myself, I guess. Because then the compiler can't tell if you mean to type a number and put a letter in it or to name a variable. Oh, it gets confused. It's not like clear communication. So I feel like if you started, you know, when you're asking someone a yes or no question and they go, yeah, no. It's like that. Because you're like, are you saying yeah or no? And then the person's like, no, yeah. No, yeah. Yeah, no. And it's like that. And then you're like, what the fuck are you saying? Precisely. Okay. Yeah, no, I get it. Exactly. Okay. So we can update a variable if the context changes. So a message string would say hello there for the greeting and then farewell. You change it to hasta la vista. Above, we create the variable message string, assign a welcome message, and print the greeting. After we greet the user, we want to wish them goodbye. We then update message string to a departure message and print that out. Can I ask a question? Why would you want to change the variable instead of just make a new variable? No. Okay. Like, wouldn't it be like message string hello or like message string goodbye? It takes up memory. Oh! I'm writing this down. Hold on. That's really interesting. Okay. We change variables to save memory instead of making new variables. That's so interesting. Because then you don't have to update any places that reference the variable. You don't have to update any places that reference the variable. Wait, what does that mean? Oh, because then if you changed a variable, you'd have to change it a gajillion times in the code. You change only one place instead of like 10 or whatever. Okay, I understand. Okay. Above, we create the variable message string, assign a welcome message. If we greet we wish them goodbye. We then update message string to departure message and print that out. Update the variable meal to reflect each meal of the day before we print it. Okay. Update meal to be lunch. It would be quotation soup. Update meal to be dinner. So that would be meal equals soup again. Control Enter. Yes! Wait. Meal, soup. Breakfast, soup. Lunch, soup. Dinner, soup again. Now what's your, wait, can I write my own? Hold on. Printing it, okay. And then updating meal to dessert. Meal equals last, oh, I forgot to quotation. Last, wait. Sweet soup. printing out dessert. And then it's print, and then quotation. Oh, I did the wrong thing. Quotations, because it's talking. Dessert. And then print. And then no quotations because it's a variable. Meal. Dessert sweet soup! Dessert sweet soup! I did it! Holy shit, this is so cool. This is so cool. Okay. This is so much fun. This is so fun. Oh no. The quotes are wrong. That's a single quote. That's a, I didn't even read this, but I can already find that it's wrong. Print abracadabra. This message has mismatched. Oh, well, it told me that. And then print abracadabra. But there's no meaning for abracadabra. So how can it print abracadabra if it doesn't know what abracadabra means? You look so pretty today. Thank you. Thank you. That's actually really important too, just trying shit to see what works. Oh my God, there you go. You got it. My God, she's got it. Yeah! This is so fun. This is so much fun. Oh my God. This is, okay. This is not the same thing at all. But it really brings me back to when I would edit my MySpace page. Because if you wanted to have a layout in MySpace, you had to code it with HTML. And so mine would look fucking ugly. They'd look super ugly. But like I could adjust the font size. I could adjust the background color. Like that's how I got into it. And that's how I knew that I enjoyed it. And that's why one of my goals was to, yes, the font tags. Yes. So it is coding, but like it was very beginner because I was like 9. I was like 9 being like, change font size to 35, font type, Comic Sans. Dr. Gwyneth, I'm using Code Academy. Oh my God, this is so fun. Okay. Let me read this before I try to fix anything. Humans are prone to making mistakes. Humans are also typically in charge of creating computer programs. To compensate, programming languages attempt to understand and explain mistakes made in their programs. Python refers to these mistakes as errors and will point to the location where an error occurred with what is that? Like an up caret? What is that called? The up arrow? Hold on. Errors. Python will... Caret. It is a caret. So are they're all carets? They're just directional carets? Like an up caret? Caret. It's a caret. The hardest part is the logic tracing. Oh, fun. I don't care at all what it's called. Okay. Abracadabra equals Godfiend, kill yourself. Print abracadabra. No, it didn't work. It didn't work. That's what I get. Python will direct to errors with up caret symbol. Debug time. Time to debug what's wrong with this code. Where do we begin? When programs throw errors that we didn't expect to encounter, we call those errors bugs. Bugs. Is that why they use a caret? Because it's like Bugs Bunny? Because they're like, oh, Bugs is looking for a carrot? Was that a dumb question? Can I write that down in my notebook? Note. Note to self. Carrot might be in reference to bug. This is my chat, like, you know what? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. When programs throw errors we didn't expect to encounter, we call those bugs. Programmers call the process of updating the program so that it no longer produces unexpected errors debugging. Updating the program so that it no longer produces unexpected errors debugging. Updating the program. So is that the manual adjusting of the code that we talked about earlier? You know what? There is one dumb question. Yes. Okay, so debugging is manually going in to fix the code. Okay. Debugging. I have to pee, but I'm having so much fun. Debugging. Manually updating code to fix bugs/errors. Two common errors that we encounter while writing Python are syntax error and name error. Syntax error means there's something wrong with the way your program is written. Punctuation that does not belong, a command where it is not expected, or a missing parentheses can all trigger a syntax error. A name error occurs when Python interpreter sees a word it does not recognize. Oh, so this is a syntax error, and this is a name error because it doesn't recognize this name because there was no variables set for it. No one set the variable for abracadabra. When Python interpreter sees a word it does not recognize, code that contains something that looks like a variable but was never defined will throw name error. Okay. Syntax error. So the syntax error is, it's detected in line 1, which is this one. So if because I tried to run this. If there is one error, it just won't even try to show the rest of it. Avery, what are you doing? That's a great question. Oh, interesting. So that's why the Godfiend kill yourself thing didn't work, because line 1 is broken. Oh my God. Okay, hold on. 2 common errors. Godfiend saved by a bug. Syntax error. There's something wrong with the way your programs are in. Punctuation that does not belong, a command word is not expected, or a missing parentheses. Okay. Wrong written code, like mismatched quotations. That's why it said to be consistent with quotations. Because if you're not, but in the same line, I thought they meant consistent throughout the entire code, but I think they meant in the same line because if it's inconsistent, it'll break. Or symbol where it shouldn't be. And then name error, word not recognized. No variable set. Okay. You might encounter a syntax error if you open a string with a single quote and end it with double quotes. Update the string so blah, blah, blah. You might encounter a name error if you try to print a single word string but fail to put any quotes around it. Python expects the word of your string to be defined elsewhere but can't find where it's defined. Add quotes to either side of the string to squash the bug. Oh! So they just want me to put quotes around this and not even make a variable. Okay, hold on. Hi, guys. It's me, Avery. Just fixing this code. You're welcome. Stan Itsy. Okay. Oh, shit. Just one. Oh, wait, you guys said if I highlight it, I can put the quotations. Okay. And then print. I could pull quotations around this, but that's boring. Hold on. Me again. Writing variable for this word. Stan BTS. So abracadabra equals Godfiend. Wait, quotation marks. Godfiend, I'm sorry, don't kill yourself. And then print abracadabra, and then it should work. Yeah! on. This is so fun. Bugs have solved. I squashed the bugs. The most epic error is that you have so many lines of code, but you end up with a missing semicolon. Godfiend has told me about that like a gajillion times. So many times. Avery question. What's the question? What's the question? What type of hairstyle do you want in your brat's character drawing? Something that was popular in like 2007. Like, you know those, you know how we used to take our bangs and like put, like bobby pin them back and like bump them up a little bit? I want that. Cadis, thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you for the 73 months. In my mind, coding is the closest thing to magic in the real world. Honestly, yes. I see it. I see it. I have to pee, but I don't want to. Let's do one more and then I'll go pee. Numbers. Oh, here we go. Numbers. Computers can understand much more than just strings of text. Python has a few numeric data types. It has multiple ways of storing numbers. Which one you use depends on your intended purpose for the number you are saving. An integer, or int, is a whole number. That's math. They're starting to lose me. Int, a whole number. They're losing me, chat. It has no decimal point and contains all counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, as well as their negative counterparts and the number 0. If you were counting the number of people in a room, the number of jelly beans in a jar, or the number of keys on a keyboard, you would likely use an integer. A floating point number, or a float, is a decimal number. Float. Decimal number. So this is for like percentages, I'm assuming. It can be used to represent fractional quantities as well as precise measurements. If you're measuring the length of your bedroom wall, calculating the average test score of a 7th grade class, or storing a baseball player's batting average for the 1998 season, you would likely use a float. That's so specific. That's so specific. Numbers can be assigned to variables or used literally in a program. An int, a float. Wait, so what is the... Do you have to type an int every time, or can you just type int? Oh, it's doing the math for me. No, and you don't need quotes. Okay, so no quotes. That's a variable name. Oh, you're right. That's a variable. That's a variable. I'm dumb, sorry. Okay, above we defined an integer and a float as the variables, an int and a float. We printed out the sum of the variable and int with the number 3. We call the number 3 here a literal, meaning it's actually the number 3 and not a variable with the number 3 assigned to it. I have to read that again, sorry. We call the number 3 here a literal, meaning, this is cool. We call the number 3 here a literal, meaning it's actually the number 3 and not a variable with the number 3 assigned to it. So this didn't, like an int plus 3 did not create a new variable for 3. Magic numbers are bad in most cases. Okay. Literal. So it's, how would you define it? It's actually the number 3, not a variable with the number. So, text, not variable, but literal text. Can there be literal? Words? Can there be literals that are words or only numbers? Yes. Ooh, those are strings. Ooh, okay. Floating point numbers can behave in some unexpected ways due to how computers store them. For more information on floating point numbers, Python review Python's documentation on floating point limitations. I think I'm going to skip that for now. A recent movie-going experience has you excited to publish a review. You rush out of the cinema and hastily begin programming to create your movie review website. The big screen's greatest scenes decided by a machine. Oh, fun. Create the following variables and assign integer numbers to them: release year and runtime. Okay. Create the following variables and assign integer numbers to them. So an int equals release year, because the release year is an integer. So there's no decimal in the release year. Okay, 2025. And then runtime equals 2.5. Did you remember to define release? Oh, wait. Oh, I'm dumb. An int was the variable that they made as an example. I don't have to literally write an int. Okay, release underscore year. Type of runtime is not class int, was type class float. Runtime. Define the release and runtime integer variables below. Define the rating out of 10. Okay. And int. How would I define them as 3 things? Create the following variables and assign integer numbers to them. So would it have to be... Hi, Ashley! Hello! Hi, BB! How are you doing? It's good to see you. Runtime needs to be... Oh, they both need to be integers? Oh my God, I can't read. You're right, so we'll say 2. I am! Thank you so much for the raid, I appreciate it. Oh my God. Every year for New Year's, I pick a new skill to learn. Last year, it was learning how to sew. The year before, it was learning Adobe Premiere and learning how to take apart electronics and fix them. The year before that was learning how to coupon, and then the year before that was learning how to be more eco-friendly and how to have more like permanent stuff instead of disposable stuff. This is day 1 of learning how to code. I'm having so much fun. This is so fun. Like, it's just cool when it works, and it's also cool when I break it and then I fix it. It's so fun. Oh my God. Anyways, thank you guys for rating. Ashley Robato is my angel. I love her so much. She's just the coolest. So yeah, I'm literally learning how to code. I've been asking a lot of dumb questions. Chat says I'm not, but I am. So I apologize in advance if you code and you're like, oh my God, this bitch is so stupid, it's unreal. Only one okay, so my one dumb question was, we just learned about errors and bugs. And they said that Python defines a bug. Like when you try to run a code and it doesn't work, it defines a bug with the up caret. And it said these errors are defined as bugs. And I was like, do they use a caret because it's like Bugs Bunny? And chat said, hey, Avery, you're fucking stupid. Pay attention. Keep focused. So we've decided together that we no longer say there are no dumb questions. We say there is one dumb question. I didn't say that. Nobody said that. We did not say that. Why are you all lying to Ashley? Nobody said that. Nobody said that. Okay, let me read this again because I obviously didn't read it correctly. I thought it was going to be release year had to be an integer and then runtime had to be a float. Create the following variables and assign integer numbers to them release year. So they're both integers now, so it should work. Okay, now create the variable rating out of 10 and assign it a float number between 1 and 10. Okay, so rating out of 10. I'm going to be insane and say 2.7 out of 10. I did it! Yay! See, when I actually read, I know what to do. But the thing is, I don't know how to read. I just skim and I hope for the best. And then I get mad when it doesn't work. Me when my kid asks a question for the first time, wow, dumb question, idiot. As if it's not like his first time alive. No, this is so fun. I'm having such a blast. This is so much fun. Okay, integer, whole number. A float is a decimal or like percentage or whatever. Hi, Evan! The coding's going well. I'm having such a blast, dude. This is so fun. I'm having a good time. Calculations. It's doing the math for me. Computers absolutely excel at performing calculations. The compute in their name comes from their historical association with providing answers to mathematical questions. Python performs the arithmetic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with plus, minus, star, bracket. Or not bracket. Diagonal line. Diagonal line. Notice that when we perform division, the result has a decimal place. Prints 500. Prints 50. Prints 2.0. Okay. The result has a decimal place. This is because Python converts all integers to floats before performing division. In older versions of Python 2.7 and earlier, this conversion did not happen, and integer division would always round down to the nearest integer. That's annoying. That's really annoying, because it's like, dude, you're a computer. You should know what a decimal is. Division can throw its own special error, zero division error. Python will raise this error when attempting to divide by 0. Can I try that? Print 100. Oh, there has to be a space. 100 divided by 0. Zero division error! We did it! I broke it. I broke it. What if I type that, hit enter, and then my stream shut down? My computer exploded. Wouldn't that be so funny? Black hole created. I created a black hole. No. Okay. I love when it says you did that wrong, as if I'm not doing it wrong for fun. Okay, I don't think I need to write down the note for zero division error, because it also says here division by 0, so it's fine. Print out the result of the equation 25 times 6. Okay, print 25 times 68 plus 13 divided by 28. Oh my God. 1700.464285. Okay, nerd. Okay, nerd. I do have to pee, but I'm having so much fun. Okay, hold on. I'm not even going to run the highlights. I'm just going to put up text. Because that means I have to be away from it for 5 minutes. Pissin'. Okay, I'll be right back. I just want to get my lip gloss because my lips are dry. Sorry. Okay, I'm good. That was one of those pees where I was like, oh my God, when will it end? Have y'all ever had those where you're like, I'm still going? Jesus. Okay, so we did the calculation, so that's fun. Cool. Kimmy, thank you for the 27 months. I literally had my first day as a software developer today. We're so sick. Congratulations. How did it go? How do you feel? Yes, it just keeps going. Yes, it's the Austin Powers P for sure. And it's like, oh my God, you're not done yet? Jesus Christ. Excuse me. Okay. Changing numbers. Oh, this is like a menu. Variables that are assigned numeric values can be treated the same as the numbers themselves. Two variables can be added together. Oh, so you could say, coffee price times number of so you don't have to put 1.50 every single time, because that way, if the price goes up or down, you can just change the variable and then everything else keeps working because it's just a variable. So you don't have to keep putting 1.5 times number of coffees every single time. I understand. Layla, thank you for the read. Hi, BB. And M Trey, thank you so much. I thought this was a highlight reel. No, sorry. I need to get a better border for the Be Right Back screen because everyone always thinks I'm live. But thank you so much. Here's a chicken nugget from Taco Bell. I accept. Thank you. Ready to learn, ma'am. Dude, I'm having so much fun. This is the best. Okay, sorry. I'm getting distracted. Two variables can be added together, divided by 2, and multiplied by a third variable without Python distinguishing between variables and literals, like the number 2 in this example. Performing arithmetic on variables does not change the variable. You can only update a variable using equal sign. So two variables can be added together, divided by 2, and multiplied by a third variable without Python distinguishing between the variables and literals. So I can do that? So I could say coffee price times 2 plus number of coffees, and it'll know what I'm doing? It won't get confused? Oh my God, I would get confused. Okay, we create two variables and assign numeric values to them, then we perform a calculation on them. This doesn't update the variables. When we update the coffee price variable, perform the calculations again, they use the updated variable! That's what I just said! Oh my God, dude, my brain is like clicking. It all makes so much sense in my head. I don't know how to describe it, but like it makes sense. I know once it gets more complicated, then it'll be more challenging, but like it like makes sense in my brain. Oh my God, I was born to code. I was born to code. Okay, you've decided to get into quilting, not far off from me in real life. To calculate the number of squares you'll need for your first quilt, let's create two variables, quilt width and quilt length. Let's make this first quilt 8 squares wide and 12 squares long. Okay. Avery's cute little quilt measurements. Smile. Can I put a smile in comments? Or does it freak out when because if it's a note, it gets ignored, so it doesn't matter, right? Yes, because it gets ignored, so it's not gonna try to run it. Ah! Okay. Quilt width equals 8. Quilt underscore length equals 12. We did it. Okay. Print out the number of squares you'll need to create the quilt. Oh. Print out? Oh, shit. Okay. Comment number of squares needed. So do I add them? 8 squares wide. Oh, no, I multiply them. Because it will literally be a grid. So print, and then it's quilt width times quilt length. I need 96 squares! I need 96 squares! Okay. It turns out that quilt required a little more material than you have on hand. Let's only make the quilt 8 squares long. How many squares will you need for this quilt instead? So I just changed the length variable to 8, and then I run it again. And now it's 64! Oh my God! This is, okay, I'm sorry. I'm like freaking out. This is so cool. I don't know. I like get it. It makes so much sense to me. This is so fun. Oh my God, this is so cool. Okay. Exponents. Oh wait, I didn't even put variables also work for numbers / math. Okay. Do I want to learn how to code? Dude, so here's the thing. when I pick a new skill to learn every year, I only pick a skill that I'm like attracted to. So like for me, wanting to learn how to take stuff apart and fix it was like a no-brainer for me because I always wanted to do that as a kid. So I was like, yeah, that's a no-brainer because I'm interested in it. And coding was the same way. Sewing, I don't think I was this interested in it because I wanted to learn how to sew for like practical reasons to like mend my own clothes and stuff, but I wasn't like passionate about it. So I think if you find something that like really intrigues you and then you start learning that, it's hard not to learn because you're so fascinated by it. So like for me, coding is like so fascinating to me because I've been wanting to learn how to do it just for fun, not to get a job, but just like for funsies. And dude, yeah, this Python course is only 23 hours. Oh, not .net. Yeah, they think, sorry, Janiscu, sorry. Just wait until you get to user input so you can create your own mini text game. Oh my God, I could make a mini text game? I could make like a puzzle game where you have to like input the answer. Oh my God. Ah! Okay, I think our first program that we wanted to try was making an 8-ball. But all the answers are really, really mean. That's like, because like when we went into it, I was like, I don't really have a project I want to make, but they said that in Code Academy, you can make your own 8-ball. And I could make all my own answers. And I was like, oh, so they could all tell me to fuck off in different ways. Or I can have them tell me to fuck off in different languages. Oh my God. Okay. Sorry. I'm yapping a lot. I'm excited. Exponents. Python can also perform exponentiation. In written math, you can see an exponent. What's an exponent? Dogs. Operators are used to perform various operations. I don't think did they put the wrong definition here? Or is this the right one? I feel like they put the wrong one here. Operators are used to perform various operations on variables and values. Or is it the right one? Print fuck off, literally. That's all it takes. You might see an exponent as a superscript number, but typing superscript numbers isn't always easy on modern keyboards since this operation is so related to multiplication. We use notation. Wait, what the fuck? Hold on. What are they talking about? What's a superscript? I think so too. Hold on. I'm going to submit a bug about it later. Wait, is it print screen? I think it's print screen. Oh, wait, I can screenshot my OBS. Hold on. Okay. I'm going to submit that as a bug later. Wait, what's a superscript? Oh, superscript is tiny text on top of below. What the fuck? What is on top of below? Superscript is like the 2 when you square a number. Wait, what's the tiny text? Superscripts are hard in text. Oh, like 2 caret 3 equals 8. Oh my God, no, we started doing math. No. In written math, you might see an exponent as a hold on, I forgot all of this. Exponent example. 2 raised to the power of 3, written as 2 up caret 3, which means multiplying 2 by itself 3 times, so 2 times 2 times. Okay. Oh, that's literally what it's doing here. Okay. Since this operation is so related to multiplication, we use double asterisk. So that would be 2 to the 10th power, 8 squared. Okay. Exponents. Sorry, math is where people start losing me. I'm not a math girly. I'm not good with numbers. Exponents, star symbol, 4 squared. So 9 times 9 times 9 would be 9 star star 3. 9 cubed or 720. Okay. Or squared or power. It's written as a comment. I'm done. Yeah. But I'm only saying yeah because I just learned what comments are like 5 seconds ago. Here we compute some simple exponents or exponents. We calculate 2 to the 10th power. We calculate 2 to the 10th power, 8 to the 2nd power, 9 to the 3rd power, and 4 to the 0.5th power. Ugh. Oh, we're back to square quilts. Okay, we're so back. Exponents. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Megan. You really like how the square quilts from the last exercise came out and decide that all quilts that you make will be square from now on. That's so me. I find one food that I like and I'm like, that's all I'm gonna eat for the rest of my life. Using the exponent operator, print out how many squares you'll need for a 6x6 quilt, a 7x7 quilt, and an 8x8 quilt. How many squares you'll need for a 6x6 quilt? Calculation of squares for 6x6, 7x7, 8x8. So, but how many quilts do I want? So it wouldn't be 6 star star 6, would it? That feels too easy. How many quilts do I want though? Print out how many squares you'll need for a 6x6 quilt. It would not. Oh, I don't need to put 6 because this is going to literally be 6 times 6. Oh my God. So it's 6. Two to the 10th power, 8 squared, 9, 4 to the, okay. So this is 6, this would be 6 times 6. So then this would be 7 times 7. And then this would be 8 times 8. Oh my God. I need a cigarette after doing that. Anyone got a light? Me who's never smoked a cigarette before in my life. Jesus Christ. My hand is shaking. I'm just like, they made me do math. When math fucks you so hard, you need a cigarette. Literally. Dude. Math stresses me out so bad. How French of you. I told you. Bah ouais, doesn't you have a cigarette? Your 6x6 quilts have become so popular that 6 people have each requested 6 quilts. Print out how many total tiles you need to make 6x6 quilts for 6 people. Ah! 6x6 quilts for 6 people. So that wouldn't that literally be 6? Oh, print. Wouldn't that be 6 asterisk 4? Oh my God! Holy shit. Holy shit. Okay. 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 Thank you, Sour Patch Nova, for the 11 months. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, this is cool. Okay, I hope to never have to touch the numbers again. And I know that's... Oh, God, we're in percentages now. Fuck. Oh, thank you so much, Bud. Have a great day. How do we tell? I got bad news for you. Am I dumb as shit, or should that be the up caret? Well, it told me that it could be the up caret. Wait, how do I go back? It was talking about an up caret, but would it still work if I put up caret? No. What's the up caret? I am dumb as shit. Oh. Upcaret is exclusive. What the fuck does upcaret do in Python? The fuck? It looks like it divided it. Wait, no. 6. Is it subtracting? Yeah, I don't know. I haven't gotten there yet. Okay. Wait, did that mess up? No, it didn't. Okay. Modulo. Python offers a companion to the division operator called the modulo operator. A modulo calculation returns the remainder of the division between two numbers. Returns the remainder. With a remainder of... Oh! Because remainder is what you get when you divide stuff and there's shit left over? We started off so excited, and now I need to smoke 3 packs of cigs a day. The modulo operator is indicated by percentage sign and gives the remainder of a division calculation. If the two numbers are divisible, then the result of the modulo operation will be 0 because there won't be a remainder. Okay. Modulo. Percentage symbol that gives remainder in calculation / division. Okay. Here we use the modulo operator to find the remainder of division operations. We see that 29 modulo 5 equals 4. We see that 32% 3 equals 2 and 44% 2 equals 0 because 22 plus 22 is 44, so it's divisible. Let's look at another example to get a better idea of how modulo is useful in programming. Prints 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3. In each of these modulo operations, 3 is the divisor. Since 3 out of 3 equals 1 with no remainder, the result of the first modulo operation is 0. And then 6 and 3 would be 0 too because they are divisible. Note that as the dividend increases by 1, the remainder also increases by 1 until we reach the next number that is evenly divisible by 3. This creates a pattern that repeats continuously as the dividend increases by 1. Because of this, the modulo operator is useful in programming when we want to perform an action every nth time something occurs. Imagine you own a small cafe and would like for every 7th customer to receive a survey. If every customer transaction is numbered in the order they occur, you can determine which customers should receive the survey by calculating transaction number modulo 7. If the result is 0, hand out the survey. You're starting a new campaign for your online shop where every 10th customer gets 10% off their next order. To easily calculate this, you decide that order numbers divisible by 10 will receive the coupon. Here comes the first order of the day, 269. Create a new variable, first order remainder, set it to 269 modulo 10, then print out first order remainder to find out if that customer will receive a discount. Spoiler alert, they're not going to. Calva, thank you so much for the Prime sub. Thank you. Okay. 10% off this pussy. First order remainder. I love coding. First order remainder equals, I think I'm doing this wrong. First order remainder equals, set it to equal 269 modulo 10. Wait, 269. Oh, I think I'm doing this wrong. 10. Then print first order remainder. Oh, it worked. So you can have a calculation that's like the variable is this, the variable, hold on, sorry, how do I word this? The variable, like, outcome can be a calculation. It doesn't have to be like a set specific thing. So I don't have to be like, oh my God, that's so cool. I was thinking I had to set a variable for both the customer number and the 10% thing. but I don't. I could just calculate it. Okay. So the remainder is 9. Shocker. Next person is getting it. Look at the printed value of first order remainder. Was the remainder 0, meaning that the customer should receive a coupon? No. Code Academy, we been knew this. Create a new variable called first order coupon and assign it to the value of yes if the order should get a coupon. Otherwise, give first order coupon the value of no. No. No coupon for you, hunty. First order coupon equals no. Oh, wait, it has to be in quotations? No. Did that work? Nothing showed up. Wouldn't it say no here? Oh, wait, no, because I didn't print it. I set the variable, but I didn't print it, so it didn't speak it because the print... I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Right. I didn't print it, and printing is the talking, which means this setting the variable is like the brain is thinking, and then printing is like you're talking. So it's thinking this, but it hasn't said anything yet. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. Okay. Here comes the second order of the day, 270. Let's see if they get a discount. Find the remainder by calculating 270 modulo 10 and store the result in a new variable named second order remainder. This bitch getting a coupon. Second order remainder equals 270 modulo 10. Print out second order remainder. Print second order remainder. 0! It's a 0. I would say setting the variable is the result of a thought. Isn't that what I just said? That making a variable is thinking, and then printing is speaking? Similar, yes. What's the difference? That's what I said. That's what I just said. Based on the printed value, second order remainder, should the customer receive a coupon for this order? Create a new variable, second order coupon. Give it the value of yes. Yes. Okay. This part is a little confusing to me because, like, wouldn't you hope that the computer would be able to count the customer number instead of you having to input it every single customer time? Not printing a variable is like refusing to elaborate on your thoughts. Oh, that's me all the time. All the time. You could do it like, okay, you'll learn about that later. Okay, got it. I'm just practicing. I keep forgetting this is day 1. I'm literally like, I'm learning how to walk, and I'm like, why can't I run? What do you mean I can't run? Okay. I wrote down the modulo stuff. Okay, concatenation. The plus operator doesn't just add 2 numbers, it can also add 2 strings. The process of combining 2 strings is called string concatenation. String excuse me, nation. Performing string concatenation creates a brand new string comprised of the first string's contents followed by the second string contents. Okay. Addition of multiple strings. Is it limited to 2 or can... Oh, no, there's 6 strings here. So I could add like all 6 strings? Concat time, baby. Python programming is baby steps before the walking. That's true. The Python programming is like tummy time. You know how babies have to have tummy time so they can build up their strength to hold up their own neck? This is my tummy time. Okay. Without any added space in between. Wait. Brand new string comprised of the first string's contents followed by the second string's contents without any added space in between. So I couldn't put plus string 1 plus 2 plus string 3 because then I would break it. 6 books. you can pretty much go infinite or whatever the size limit is for string. But I'm assuming the more strings I add, the more memory it takes up. Who up concatenating? Okay, got it. So not only are you learning how to write code, but you're also learning how to manage the memory so that the fucking program doesn't like explode. I know I don't have to worry yet, but it's like, it's fascinating. Like, I probably won't remember this in 2 weeks, but like, it's fascinating to learn about. This is so interesting. Okay. Prince, hey there, how are you doing? You wrote that wrong. It's not going to print that. It's not going to print that. That's just a comment. You don't have to write prints in your comment because it's not going to print because a comment is a line that's ignored by the computer. Miss, Godfine put in a comment and thought it was going to print something out. Ooh. Okay, nerd. Okay, in the sample of code, we create 2 variables that hold strings and then concatenate them. Is it just me? Teacher, didn't we have homework due today? Yeah, we had teacher. We had homework. Concatenate is a really hard word to say. But we noticed that the result was missing a space between the 2. Let's add the space in between using the same concatenation operator. Wait. Full text. But why would you need the space? Oh, is it because it would say, hey there, how are you doing with like back to back with no space? But couldn't you just code the next line? Oh, but I guess you wouldn't want to do that because then what if you want to use the question text again and then it would show up with the space every single time? So this means there's only a space in that one section and not every single time someone says, how are you doing? So like if you're coding like dialogue in a video game, you wouldn't want the text box to say space, how are you doing every single time. You just want it this one time for this one sentence. Now the code prints the message we expected. Dude, that's what the print is showing. Hey there, how are you doing? There's no space. I knew it was only a matter of time before I humbled myself. Can I say, it feels so good when like things are clicking in my brain and I'm saying it out loud and then I look at chat and chat goes, yeah. Because I'm expecting chat to be like, no. Are you even paying attention? No. Okay. Now the code prints the message we expected. If you want to concatenate a string with a number, you will need to make the number a string first using str function. str. If you're trying to print a numeric variable, you can use commas to pass it as a different argument rather than converting it to a string. So this comes back to the whole thing of like you can't start a variable with a number because the computer will be like, are you saying yeah, no, or no, yeah? Oh, str is short for string. Okay. Dude, I'm already on page 3 of my notes. str parentheses function equals string function. Yeah, no, yeah. Like, yeah, no, yeah. If you want to concatenate a string with a number, you will need to make the number a string first. So it would be like string 7 equals 200 or whatever. Oh, wait, age equals 10, string, parentheses, age. Oh, and then the message will say birthday string, age, birthday string. Oh my God. Okay. Where are the commas though? You can use commas to pass it as a different argument rather than converting it to a string. So would it be birthday string plus comma 10 plus? I'll test it out when I have to do it because I'm confused about the comma thing. Using string, we can convert variables that are not strings to strings and then concatenate them, but we don't need to convert a number to a string for it to be an argument to print a statement. Look at the last line of the box. This one, print message. Last line of the example box. Oh, this also prints I am 10 years old today. So this is instead of plus signs? I'll test them both and see what happens. Concatenate the strings and save the message they form in variable message. Define message below. Oh, they already have their spaces. So it would be print print parentheses string 1 plus string 2 plus. Oh no, define it. I don't want to print it. Define it. So am I making so concatenating is making a variable. Brand new string comprised of the first strings. Okay, so it would be message parentheses string 1 plus string 2 plus string 3 plus string 4 plus string oh fuck string 5 plus string 6. Define message below. Okay, form variable message. Now uncomment the print statement and run your code to see the result in the terminal. Uncomment the print statement. This one? And run it. Oh. Okay. I fucked up. Message. Okay. Hold on. Let me read this again. Plus operator doesn't just add two numbers. It can also add two strings. Oh, I did it like I'm printing. Oh, I'm so silly. It's literally this, because that's what they're doing up here. These are all variables, and then this is one new variable. Oh my God, sorry. Okay. Run your code to see the result in the terminal. Well, I don't have one. So can I do print message? Ah! The wind which had hitherto carried us along with amazing rapidity sank at sunset to a light breeze. The soft air just ruffled the water and caused a pleasant motion among the trees as we approached the shore, from which it wafted the most delightful scent of flowers and hay. You had one, but you accidentally deleted the entire line instead of only removing the... Oh, that's what they meant when they said uncomment it? Uncommenting is just removing the hashtag so that it's no longer a comment. It's now an actual, like, executing thing. Oh! Oh, okay. Okay, I understand. Okay, that makes sense. I understand. Got it. Okay. This is so fun. This is so much fun. Plus equals. Python offers a shorthand for updating variables. When you have a number saved in a variable and want to add to the current value of the variable, you can use plus. Oh, so I could be like, it could be like total price plus 1, and it would like add $1 to the total price or whatever. Or sorry, it would be yeah, total price plus 1. So it would be 0 plus 1. And want to add, okay, when you have a number saved in a variable and want to add to the current value of the variable, you can use plus equals 2. Okay. Plus equals. Oh, wait, that updates the variable permanently. So I don't have to like go back in my line of code and find it. and change it there. I can just do it in a new line. Ooh. Would that impact memory? I would assume that like every new line impacts memory. So if you wanted to save memory, would you just go back and find it? I know I don't have to care about memory, but I'm so fascinated. It reuses the existing memory allocated for that variable. Oh, okay. Plus equals easy way to update variable. So if the variable is a word that says hey, could I do plus equals and put how are you and that will like add it, or is it only for numbers? Try it. Well, it's hard to try it when all this stuff's in here. Let's see. Okay. Hold on. I'll do this one first and then I'll try it because I'm curious if it can add words too. Above, we keep a running count of the number of miles a person has gone hiking over time. Instead of recalculating from the start, we keep a grand total and update it when we've gone hiking further. The plus equals operator also can be used for string concatenation. Number of miles hiked equals 12. Variable with a number saved. Then we need to update that variable. Let's say we hike another 2 miles today. So number of miles hiked plus equals 2. So it'll change to 14. The new value is the old value plus the number after the plus equals. Print number of miles hiked and it'll print 14. Okay, cool. Above, we keep a running okay, I read this. Hike caption equals, what an amazing time to walk through nature. Hike caption plus equal, oh my God, it does! Oh my God, it does! It does work with words! Oh my God! Okay. Hashtag no filter. Hashtag blessed. We create the social media caption for the photograph of nature we took on our hike, but then update the caption to include important social media tags we almost forgot. I almost forgot my social media tags. Okay. We're doing a little bit of online shopping and find a pair of new sneakers. Right before we check out, we spot a nice sweater and some fun books we also want to purchase. Use plus equals operator to update the total price to include the prices of nice sweater and fun books. Okay, so it would be total price plus equals nice sweater plus fun books. I hope I don't have to do plus equals both times. Total price is total price. Oh wait, plus equals operator to update the total price to include the price of nice sweater and fun books. The prices also included in the workspace are new sneakers, nice sweater, fun books. But I'm assuming that's already, yeah, total price is already new sneakers, so I'm just adding these two. Okay. No, okay, it didn't work. So would it be plus equals for both of them? Oh, wait. I'm dumb. I'm doing the wrong line. It's up here. So total price plus equals. Oh, do I have to do a new line each time? So it'd be total price plus equals nice sweater. I can't just do nice sweater plus fun books. No. Okay. Total price plus equals fun books. Nice sweater not defined. Yes, it is. Oh, update total price here. There's literally comments that say, hey, bitch, do it here. That makes sense because if I did it earlier, it won't work because these weren't defined until line 7. But in line 6, I tried to say total price, add nice sweater. And the computer's like, I don't know what that fucking is yet because you haven't gotten to that goddamn line, you fucking idiot. I'm getting it. Okay. Plus equals nice sweater, plus equals fun books. And now that it's after these lines that define the numbers, now it knows where to get the variable because the variable has been defined. So it worked! Oh my God, you're learning so fast. For example, calling yourself an idiot is a fundamental part of being a frog. For example, Smacking your forehead with the palm of your hand is fundamental to being a programmer. I'm only understanding through your translations. Dude, it's like, besides the math stuff, because math stuff is really complicated for me, the writing code part, for some reason, is just clicking. You can do that update in one line like you wanted to. Oh, I can? Okay, so would it be... I would assume it would be plus fun books, not plus equals both times. Okay. That's so much nicer to me because the thought of having to do multiple lines over and over again is really annoying. Oh my God. Hi, Mike. How are you? Okay, cool. And then it works for words too. So I can be like, let's see. I can say, okay, these are my word tests. And then it could be greeting _1 equals hey. And then it could be greeting _2 equals what's up. And then I could do print greeting _1, and then I'd have to add oh wait, no, I'm doing the wrong thing. Hold on. Okay. So it would be print greeting _1. So I'd say hey. And then I could do greeting _1 plus equals space how are you? And then I could do print greeting 1 again. Print greeting 1. Ah! Oh my god, that's so cool. Okay, it's making sense. Greeting 3 up dog. Okay. Oh my god. Sorry, it's really cold in here. Dude, this is so fun. This is so much fun. Okay, cool. Next, multi-line strings. Oh, we got triple quotations. Okay, Python strings are very flexible, but if we try to create a string that occupies multiple lines, we find ourselves face to face with a syntax error. What did I say syntax error was again? Syntax error, wrong written code like mismatched quotations or simple where it shouldn't be. Okay, so that's not, the name error was the variable is set, there is no variable set, but the syntax is like, oh, you mismatched your quotation marks or whatever. It's like a symbol thing. Okay. Python offers a solution, multi-line strings. By using 3 quote marks instead of 1, we tell the program that the string doesn't end until the next triple quote. This is like those side carets in HTML. HTML had the same thing when I was making my little MySpace layouts. This method is useful if the string being defined contains a lot of quotation marks and we want to be sure we don't close it prematurely. Oh. Okay, let me write this down. Oh, it's so fucking cold, dude. I might cave and turn on the heater. Multi-line strings. Multi-line strings using 3 quotes. 3 quotations instead of 1 allows multiple lines and doesn't end until next 3 quotes. Ooh. This method is useful if the string being defined contains a lot of quotation marks and we want to be sure we don't close it prematurely. In the above example, we assign a famous poet's words to a variable. Even though the quote contains multiple line breaks, the code works. If a multi-line string isn't assigned a variable or used in an expression, it is treated as a comment. Oh, isn't assigned a variable. So if I just did quote, 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 and then wrote a bunch of stuff and then quote, 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 that's a comment. Quote, 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 bitch, quote, quote, quote. That doesn't look like a comment to me. That doesn't look like a comment to me. Isn't assigned a variable or used in an expression is treated as a comment. Assign the string. Okay. But it didn't work. Okay, I'll try it after I do this. Okay. Assign the string here. To you equals. And then can I just copy paste? Can you? Oh. Why are the? Did I fuck this up? Why are these different colors? If and not stranger. If you passing meet me and desire to speak to me, why should you not speak to me? And why should I not speak to you? Okay, I fucked it up. I didn't do the fucking triple quotation marks thing. Oh my God. Y'all. I'm learning. Learning. I forgot. Wait, so what if I do quotation, you suck eggs, and then quotations? Oh, it didn't show up. So it would be a comment, but it's not the same. It's not gray like a comment. If and not are keywords in coding. Oh, hi, Thomas. They're reserved words. Those are keywords for Python. So the highlighter is like, hey, these words are important. Oh, and it highlighted them because it thought I was coding because I didn't put the quotations around it to say this is like a spoken thing. This is so fucking cool. Hi, Savina. Yes, I'm learning how to code. Dude, I've been taking notes. I already have so many notes on like everything that I've learned. It's so fun. This is so fun. I'm learning so much. Okay, so if this is a comment, why doesn't it show up in gray? Why does it show up? You have a master's degree in programming? I can't wait to message you about this because I'm having so much fun. It looks like a normal string, but it acts like a comment. Okay, then I think for the sake of consistency, I would rather just use the hashtag instead of the 3 quotation marks because I feel like I would read that and see a different color and be like, oh, that's code, instead of just being like, you suck eggs. And then it looks like a comment to me. It's not really a comment, just doesn't do anything. Okay, so it's like a fake comment. Look at the little student learning. Thank you, I should. A little student learning. It's treated as a comment, but I thought when they said it's treated as a comment, it would like look like a comment, but it doesn't. It's a weird way of doing a comment in general. Okay, I'm just gonna ignore that and not do it, but it's cool to know. Okay, this is the last lesson of this one. A review. Oh my God. Okay. In this lesson, we accomplished a lot of things. We instructed our computers to print messages, we stored these messages as variables, and we learned to update those messages depending on the part of the program we were in. We performed mathematical calculations and explored some of the mathematical expressions that Python offers us. We learned about errors and Bugs Bunny. I'm sorry, I think it's funny. Still. And other valuable skills that will continue to serve us as we develop our programming skills. Good job! The computer said good job. What's your purpose? Do you want to learn to code video games, websites? I don't know. I just wanted to learn. Like, I don't have an end goal. I just wanted to learn it. It looked interesting. Here are a few resources to add to your toolkit. Oh. Okay, hold on. Let me... Whoa, Python. Oh my God, look at what this just came up with. Python is a general purpose, versatile, and powerful programming language. It's a great first language because it's concise and easy to read. Whatever you want to do, Python can do it from data. Oh, we read this already. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991 and was named after the British comedy Monty Python's Flying Circus? It was named after Monty Python? That's so cool. Okay, I am gonna bookmark these, but I'll do it later. Okay, so now this is like my test. This is like my exam. Okay, create variables. My age equals 30. Half my age equals my age divided by 2? Do I have to put that in parentheses? Don't answer. I need to figure it out on my own. So hold on. Greeting equals, hey, dickhead. Name equals Avery. Greeting with name equals greeting plus name. Assign values to each using your knowledge of division and concatenation. It worked! First try! It worked first try! Oh my god, I didn't break it! Okay. Oh my god! I did it first try. Wait, it didn't tell me to print anything, but I want to do it for funsies. Printing shit, lol. Okay. Print. Greeting plus, and then I want a space. So quotation space plus name. So I'm greeting myself as a dickhead. Hey, dickhead Avery! Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so I could find out what year I was born by programming. So print my underscore age minus 2025. Okay, well, it thinks I was born in 1995, but I wasn't. So I guess that doesn't really work. Because I was born in 1994, but it's whatever. Other way around. Oh. 2020. So I could do 2024 minus my underscore age. This is so cool. Oh my god. This is so cool. Okay. Yay! Oh my god, it gamifies it, so it gives you XP. Oh, bitch, it's over for me. Everyone was so right. Code Academy is the way to go. Wait, didn't it say there was like a quiz? I'm nervous that I'm going to hit continue and it's going to be like, this is the quiz. Oh my god. Okay, nobody tell me the answers. I have to learn this on my own. If I get it wrong, I have to learn this on my own. Character begins a comment is hashtag. A single line comment starts with hashtag. How do you combine two strings? It would be string 1 plus string 2. Which of the following will produce a syntax error? Answer equals, is this an error? Answer equals, is this an error? Answer equals, is this an error? This one, because the quotation's wrong. Yes, the quote marks are a mismatch and will produce a syntax error. What number is saved to exponented variable in the following expression? That would be 4 times 4, so it would be 16. 2 to the 4th power is 16. Oh my god. Hold on. What is the value of total cost that gets printed? Total cost equals 5, and then total cost gets added 10, so 15. It's a value afterwards to the variable that updates the variable to be the sum. Okay. Which of the following defined variables is a string? The string would be cool variable 4, right? No! I have to quit. It's cool variable 3? Important message. But contains an integer. But I thought a string was like, I'm in 4K, sorry. My monitor's in 4K. Is this better? Sorry. Look at your notes, that's true. Hold on. String concatenation, addition of multiple string. Oh, I was thinking concatenation. String function. But it's... So what are these called? So is it only a string if there's words in it and then this is an integer? This is open book. String is text. Oh, and then there's a float. Oh my God, you're right. It's integer, float, and then string. Okay, I understand. I wanted to understand why I got it wrong. Okay. What is the difference between a float and an int? A float represents decimal quantities, int represents whole numbers. Yes. What is Python syntax for creating a variable and assigning the number 10 to it? Creating a variable, assigning the number 10. It would be this one, because there's no space and it equals. What happens when running the following code? Message equals what a cool message, print message. It would break because there's no quotation around it, right? Syntax error. Yeah! Oh my God, I got a trick question. Oh my God. Okay, I got it. Holy shit. This is so fun. Okay, we're getting it. How does one define a multi-line string in Python? It would be this one, because it's the 3 quotation marks. Which function outputs text to the terminal? Outputs print, because that's the speaking, right? Okay. What is the value of modulo variable in the following expression? Oh, fuck, I forgot modulo. Shit. Isn't it like dividing? I think it would be, I'm going to look at my notes. Symbol that gives the remainder. Oh my God, I forgot it's the remainder that's left over. So it would be 2. I was about to say 3.5. No help. I'm so glad I took notes. Oh my God. I think I repressed the memory of learning modulo because it was math. So I was like, let's just pretend I didn't learn that. What is the output of the following code? Cool number equals 12 plus 30, so 42. Cool number times 5. Oh, fuck. What is 42 times 5? Can I use a calculator? I don't want to do this. Can I use a calculator? What's 42 times 5? Print cool number. Oh, wait. No, I don't even think it would work because would this even work? Wouldn't it have to be, wait. This feels like a trick question. Cool number equals 12 plus 30. Cool number times 5. I don't think that would work. Print cool number. I'm going to say 42 because I feel like this wouldn't work. Oh my God! Oh my God! Yes. This is so fun. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. How is it I can't get the normal questions, but I get the trick questions? How is that possible? I only got one wrong. Okay, so the one that I got wrong was the string. So I have to remember the difference between string, integer, and float. Oh my God, dude, this was so fun. Can we do these like once a week? Or like twice a week? Or maybe like 5 times a week? Oh, does this explain it? The correct response identifies a variable that holds a string, which in this case is cool variable 3 that contains the value important message. The variable is explicitly defined with quotation marks, which is the standard way to denote a string in Python and many other okay, so the quotation marks defines a string. Hi, Twiggy. Hello. And Six Gator, thank you so much. I don't think I said thank you, but thank you. I appreciate it. I'm gonna do my own website. I don't have a website. I could make a website. Why not? Oh my God. This is so much fun. This is so fun. Like, I'm enjoying this a lot. Like, something about learning this just like clicks with me for some reason. This is so fun. Okay, how do I go back to like the main menu? Oh, these are like more tests? Display your initials on screen. Wait, learn Python. Oh no, this is a new lesson, so I don't want to do this. View syllabus. Start practice session. Start practice session. What does a practice session do? Core practice pack, high priority. Boost your skills with key concepts you haven't mastered yet or need extra attention on. So does it tell me to do stuff? Oh! Fill in the code to correctly set a variable number to a string value 1, 2, 3. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Okay. So the variable is number, and then it would be equal. Does it have to? I would assume it has to be 3 more things. Would it be a string value 1, 2, 3? So would it literally just be 1, 2, 3? No, it's a string. Wait, no, it's a string. Wait, no, I changed my mind. Oh, I can click on it. Okay. If it's a string, that means it has the quotation marks, which is what I literally just fucked up. So it would be this. Yay! Oh my god. Okay. I see why they gave me the string variable. I see why. Which of the following represents assigning a floating point number to a variable? Float is the decimal. Which of the following represents assigning a floating point number to a variable? That would be this one. Floating point number to a variable, because it's 0.0. What the fuck is magnets? A floating point number contains a decimal portion even if that portion is 0. I actually didn't know that. So that's really cool. I'm going to write that down in my notes so I don't forget. Float decimal number even if it's 0.0. That's really interesting. Because you'd think for all intents and purposes that would be an integer because it's a whole number. That's so fascinating. Okay. After running the following code, what is the output? Plus 10, plus 20, plus 30, plus 40. So it'd be 30, 60, 100. Print counter. It'd be 100. The counter variable increments each time. Which of the following scenarios would need to happen within this function for Python to raise the 0 division error when the function is called? 0 division is when you try to divide by 0. So def average, list of numbers, length of list. 0 division error would never be thrown due to the operations within. I don't think that's true because this is literally division, so it's possible. I think it'd have to be list of numbers is 0. Print average. Oh, no, it wouldn't because that's not even being divided. It's length. Okay. List of numbers is empty. So length of list is 0. If it was empty, I think it would just break. No? List of numbers, length of list. Oh, this one's hard. But list of numbers isn't what's being divided. It's length of list that's being divided. So I'm like, I don't think it's this one. I think it's this one. List of numbers is empty, so length of list is 0. I'm going to... Oh my God. Well, they did say in the practice module, it goes over things I haven't learned yet. So it feels like it's the practice module is connecting me to like the next lesson. That's what it feels like, you know? Fill in the following code blocks using string concatenation to set the message variable equal to the sentence. Learning Python is easier than I thought it would be. This sure is. Hydrate, thank you. I have water on my desk that I have not even thought about since I started streaming. So I feel like the best way to do this would be to do my lessons and then the quiz and then do a practice run, because it feels like it goes over what I messed up in the quiz and then what I'm about to learn in the next one. I was thirsty, so I figured you might be. I am. I don't think I've blinked at all in the entire time that I learned the beginning of Python because I was so into it. Excuse me. Message equals learning. Message would be plus equals learning Python is easier. Learning Python is easier than I thought it would be. Wait. Wait. Hold on. I didn't do this right. Learning Python is easier than I thought it would be. So what am I missing? Message equals learning. So I don't need to use this one. This has the space in it, so. What is the plus for? Set the message variable equal to the sentence learning Python is easier than I thought it would be. Oh, plus. Plus. Plus? Yay! Yay! They throw in unnecessary code blocks to trick you. It's working. It's working. Okay, last one. Oh, I get to actually code something. Okay, using Python, create a variable called my age and assign an integer to it. Okay. What's up, dog? My age equals 30. If I wanted to be funny, I could say 30.0 because that is an integer apparently. Did it work? Oh, I didn't print it. I didn't print it. Wait, what? Type my age is not type class integer. Yes, it is. It is an integer. You told me I could. Was type class well? You told me I could put the decimal. Oh, I thought about it backwards. Oh my God, I'm so silly. I thought about it backwards because we were saying it's still a float if it's 0.0. Okay, understood. So it's still 30. I was trying to be cheeky. And instead I got cheeked. You know what I mean? +1 to the silly tally. Yay! Oh my God. This is so fun. We have to do this like once or twice a week. I'm having so much fun. This is a blast. Wait, no, go home. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Something about it is just like clicking. Like I know I've been like over explaining what I'm learning, but it's helping me understand the logic behind it. Because I don't want to just learn that. I don't want to learn what a modular does. Whatever it was called, the thing I hated. I want to learn why it does it and how it works. It's so interesting. Modulo, thank you. This is so fun to watch. Thank you so much for being here. I thought it would be really boring for everybody. I thought everyone would be kind of sick of it. But like, I don't know, something about it clicks. It's just very fascinating to me. Do you want to learn other programming languages after Python? Probably not. Just because I'm kind of just learning for fun. I'm not really learning to like get a job someday. You summoned the nerds. We've been nerding. This was really fun. Thank you. Oh my God. This is so fun. Okay. Out of curiosity, what motivated you to learn to code? Just because I felt like it. Like I was just talking about this earlier in the stream, but like every year I pick a new skill that I want to learn. And I usually pick skills that interest me now or interested me as a kid. So like as a kid, I was really fascinated with the thought of like taking apart electronics and seeing how they work inside. And so I made that my goal for 2 years ago for 2023 was to learn how to take stuff apart and fix it when it's broken. And that was like the same to me as coding, where I was like so fascinated by it and like thought it was so interesting. And for Python or for coding, I just am like interested in coding. Like I was interested when I had a MySpace page when I was 10. Like you had to learn HTML to code your own layout in MySpace, and even then I found it interesting. So I was like, I would like to learn how to code, but not like for a career or whatever. Like I don't have any goals for it. I just am interested, and I think it would be really cool to know and like really handy to know. And also like, God forbid, streaming ever doesn't work out, you know, or like streaming dies out. I can't, like my career comes to an end. At least I have like another skill under my belt for if I need to get a job, you know, because it could happen. So yeah. Oh my God. This is so cool. I really enjoyed this, and I love the way Code Academy set it up. It's really fun. This is not sponsored. I wish it was, because I paid like $200 for a year. Come to Ubisoft, you have experience. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. I did the beginner Python, and now I'm ready to make maps. One thing to note, having a project you want to do with coding is a good way to cement what you're learning and have the learning stick. Yes, so I learned that. That's really helpful, Rhino. I learned that like while doing the lessons, and one part of the lesson was like one of your first projects can learn to make your own 8-ball, which I thought was really cool. So I could like ask my 8-ball a question and it will give me a coded answer that I made myself. So I think that's going to be my first little project, is making an 8-ball, which I thought would be fun. Also, chat was really helpful and didn't make things too complex or anything. I'm very proud of you, chat. Yeah, I'm not going to lie. Certain areas and skills do, to me, kind of feel like a boys' club a little bit. And I was so worried today that I was gonna get some dudes in my chat being like, it's really easy. How do you not get it? You did that wrong. Like I was expecting like the condescension that comes with trying to learn a skill in something that's predominantly male, because that's what happens all the time. And everyone was so nice. You guys were so nice and like so helpful and like, I don't know. I feel like you guys were as excited as I was. Because every time I was like, so chat, is this how this works? And you guys would be like, yes. And I'd be like, oh my God, I'm learning. Like, it was really nice. So thank you. I mean, I know it's like the last thing I could possibly, it's such a lame thing to say thank you for, but thank you for being like so respectful and excited with me, because I really was earlier really worried that people were going to come in here and be like, it's really easy. No, you're wrong. Like I was expecting the pretentiousness and I didn't get it. So also love having another girl coder in our ranks. Let's go, girl coding club. It's so fun to watch and you have a good memory. Thank you. I was really excited. I was excited to learn it. So I can't wait to keep going. I can't wait. This is so fun. Like, I'm so fascinated by this. I'm so fascinated by this, and it's keeping my brain stretchy and stuff, and it's great. So I had a lot of fun today.